This question is to evaluate a complex mathematical limit involving exponential and trigonometric functions as x approaches 0. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. Evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of the fraction. The exponential of sine squared x minus the exponential of x squared, all divided by x to the fourth power. Which of the following is correct? There are 4 options. First step, we expand sine squared. The expansion of sine squared x around 0 is x squared minus 1/3 times x to the fourth plus higher order terms. Next step, expand the first exponential. The exponential of sine squared x equals 1 plus the term x squared minus 1/3 x to the fourth plus 1/2 times x squared plus higher order terms. Simplifying, this becomes 1 plus x squared plus 1/6 x to the fourth plus higher order terms. Then, next step is to expand the second exponential. The exponential of x squared equals 1 plus x squared plus 1/2 x to the fourth plus higher order terms. Next step, subtract the 2 series. Subtracting the second expansion from the first, the 1's cancel and the x squared terms also cancel. What remains is 1/6 x to the fourth minus 1/2 x to the fourth, which simplifies to negative 1/3 x to the fourth plus higher order terms. After that, next step, divide by the denominator. Now divide this result by x to the fourth. The expression becomes negative 1/3 plus higher order terms. Next step, take the limit. As x approaches 0, the higher order terms vanish, and the limit equals negative 1/3. Final answer. The correct choice is option B, negative 1/3. Tip for students. In higher order limits, always expand far enough so that the lower order terms cancel. The first non-zero term that remains decides the answer. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.